Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic almost everyone loves, pizza. It's a global favorite, but have you ever stopped to think about the word itself? Where did pizza come from? Its history is much older and more surprising than you might imagine. Get ready to uncover the secret origin of this iconic word and learn some new English vocabulary along the way. Before modern pizza, there were flatbreads. Ancient civilizations across the world enjoyed simple baked dough. The Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all had their versions of flatbreads. These early forms were often topped with olive oil, herbs, and spices. They were a staple food, easy to make, and very versatile. This tradition of flatbreads laid the groundwork for what was to come. The pizza we recognize today truly began in Naples, Italy. In the 17th and 18th centuries, it was a simple, affordable meal for the working class. Tomatoes, originally from the Americas, were eventually added, transforming the dish. The combination of dough, tomato, cheese, and basil became a culinary masterpiece. This Neapolitan creation quickly gained popularity within the city. The word pizza itself has a fascinating and ancient past. The earliest known written record of pizza dates back to 997 AD. It appeared in a Latin document from Pitta, a town in southern Italy. In this document, pizza referred to a type of bread or flat cake. This shows the word has been around for over 1,000 years, long before the cheesy, tomato-topped version we adore. So where did this ancient word pizza actually come from? Linguists have a few theories. One popular idea suggests it might be related to the Greek word Pitta, which means flatbread. Hey learners, loving this pizza history? Hit that subscribe button and join me, Mr. Ben, for more global English discoveries. Let's explore together. Another theory connects it to the old High German word Bizzo, or pizzo. This word meant bite or mouthful. It's amazing how words can travel and change over centuries. For centuries, pizza remained largely a local Italian dish. It wasn't until the late 19th and early 20th centuries that it began its global journey. Italian immigrants brought their beloved food to new countries, especially the United States. In America, pizza quickly found a new home and adapted to local tastes. The word pizza became a common part of the English language, loved by millions. Let's learn some useful English words related to our topic. First, we have pizza itself, a noun for this delicious dish. Next, a slice is a single portion cut from a whole pizza. When we cook pizza, we bake it in an oven. To top a pizza means to put ingredients on it. These words are now part of our everyday food vocabulary. Did you know that the world's largest pizza ever made was over 13,500 square feet? That's huge! Also, the most expensive pizza costs thousands of dollars, topped with rare ingredients like truffles and gold leaf. Pizza is more than just food. It's a cultural phenomenon. It brings people together and sparks joy around the world. From ancient flatbreads to a global sensation, the word pizza carries a rich history. It's a testament to how food and language evolved together. Next time you enjoy a delicious slice, remember its incredible journey. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic and culinary adventure. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep enjoying those delicious pizzas.